Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Most people in their 20s here in the Philippines spend 30 to 50% of their monthly salary on rent. In Quezon City alone, a decent one-bedroom apartment can easily cost 15,000 to 25,000 a month. Over 5 years, that's 900,000 pesos to 1.5 million pesos. It is gone just for a place to sleep. But one young Filipino paid absolutely nothing for housing. He lived rent-free while his tenants paid every single peso of his mortgage. Then he scaled it, generated serious extra income, and quit his job before he turned 25. Today, we are breaking down exactly how he did it with house hacking right here in the Philippines. This is not some US only strategy. This is 100% doable for any kababayan with determination, a pag-ibig membership, and the willingness to live differently for a few years. Stay until the end because I'm also revealing six game-changing tools available right now on Shopee and Lazada that make renovations and Airbnb management ridiculously easy and affordable. At just 22 years old, this young man, let's call him Marco for the story, bought his first triplex style 3-unit residential building in the National Capital Region using a low down payment. Pag-ibig housing loan, he moved into one unit and rented out the other two at market rates. The rental income completely covered his entire monthly amortization. He lived for free while everyone around him was stressing over rent. Then he did it again. He bought a second multi-unit property, renovated a four-bedroom section, and turned each room into an individual Airbnb listing. That single property started pulling in over 250,000 pesos a month in high season bookings. Between the two properties, his housing costs dropped to zero, and he was actually generating a positive cash flow on top of it. That's when Marco quit his 9 to 5 job and never looked back. He didn't come from a rich family. He didn't have a perfect credit. He didn't have a business degree. He simply refused to keep throwing money away on rent like most young professionals do. Here's what most Filipinos still don't realize. You do not need to be rich to start house hacking. Pag-ibig Fund currently offers housing loans with down payments as low as 5 to 10% for properties under 2.5 million pesos. That's one of the lowest entry points in the entire country. For socialized and affordable housing units under the expanded 4PH program, the interest rate is subsidized at just 3% for the first 5 years. Even on regular loans, the rates stay between 5.75% and 9.75% depending on your chosen repricing period. Maximum loan is up to 6 million pesos. Wow. Marco used exactly that program. He found a modest 3-unit building where the combined rental income from 2 units more than covered the amortization, taxes, and minor maintenance. The property essentially paid for itself. In Quezon City and surrounding areas, room rentals and small apartments are in huge demand from students, young professionals, and even short-term business travelers. One room can easily rent for 6,000 to 12,000 a month long-term or 2,000 to 4,000 per night on Airbnb. 2 or 3 units can wipe out your entire mortgage payment. This is house hacking, Pinoy style, Buy a multi-unit residential property, live in one part, rent the rest, and let the tenants fund your freedom. Step 1. Become a consistent Pag-ibig member. You need at least 24 months of contributions, but many young professionals already qualify or can fast track it. Step 2. Save for that low 5 to 10% down payment. It sounds scary until you realize the average person waste 15,000 to 25,000 pesos every month on rent. Redirect even half of that for 12 to 18 months and you have got your equity. Step 3. Hunt for the right property. Look for duplexes, triplexes, or houses with multiple rentable rooms in Quezon City, Manila, or even nearby provinces with good transport. Check Facebook, Marketplace, Lamudi, or talk to local agents. Focus on properties where rental companies clearly cover the loan. Step 4. Step 4. Renovate smart and cheap. Marco did a lot of the work himself. And this is where the first two affiliate tools come in. He used a high-powered cordless drill set he grabbed on Shopee, perfect for installing shelves, fixtures, and quick repairs without renting heavy equipment. If you are starting your own flip, search cordless drill kit with battery on Shopee or Lazada right now. The top rated ones are under 2,000 pesos and will save you thousands in labor. He also used an electric paint sprayer kit from Lazada to repaint the entire units in a single weekend. Fast, even coverage, and way cheaper than hiring painters every time. Look in the description if you want the exact models that work great for rental turnovers. Step number 5. Rent smart. Long-term tenants for stability on Airbnb for higher income. For the second property, Marco turned 4 bedrooms into private rooms with their own keys. That brings us to tools 3 and 4. He installed a wireless CCTV camera kit available on both Shopee and Lazada for under 3,000 pesos. So he could monitor the property remotely from his phone. Peace of mind without being there 24 by 7. And for seamless guest access on Airbnb, he added smart keyless door locks. Guests can get a unique code that expires after checkout. No more lost keys, no more middle of the night calls. These are total game changers and super affordable right now. Finally, he made every room guest ready with premier bed linen and towel sets from Lazada. High quality, soft, and Instagram worthy. Guests book faster and leave better reviews when the place feels luxurious without breaking your budget. Once both properties were cash flowing, Marcos' housing cost became zero. He was actually earning extra every month while building equity. The average Pinoy spends 900,000 pesos to 1.5 million pesos on rent in 5 years. He took the money and put it toward freedom instead. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more dreading rent day. He had time to learn more about real estate, travel, and even start side businesses. That's the power of house hacking. Your home stops being an expense and becomes an income producing asset. Tool number 5, a dedicated real estate investment planner notebook he used to track every peso of income and expense. These monthly expense tracker journals on Shopee are cheap, simple, and keep you organized so you never lose money on taxes or forget a repair. Tool number 6. He swears by his monthly budget and cash flow journal. Again, available on Lazada that help him see exactly when he could scale to the next property. Most people think they can't afford real estate. The truth is they can't afford not to do this. You don't need perfect credit. You don't need a huge salary. You don't even need a degree. You just need to be willing to live differently than everyone else for a few years. Live in one unit while tenants pay your mortgage. Marco did it in his early 20s in the Philippines. So can you. If you are in Quezon City or anywhere in the country, start today. Check your pag-ibig eligibility, start saving that down payment, and look at multi-unit listings this weekend. And grab those 6 tools I mentioned: cordless drill set, electric paint sprayer, wireless CCTV kit, smart keyless door locks, premium linen sets, and the investment planner notebook. All available with great deals and fast delivery on Shopee and Lazada. I've dropped direct affiliate links in the description so you can start your renovation and Airbnb setup the smart way. And of course, I'll be tagging that one also. Drop a comment. Would you house would you house hack a triplex or start with renting out rooms? Like and subscribe for more Pinoy wealth building strategies that actually work in 2026. Share this with any friend in their 20s who is tired of wasting money on rent. Your rent-free life starts with one decision. Make it today. See you in the next video mga kababayan. Padayon at mabuhay po ang Pilipinas.